The Sonoran Dog. It's YouTube's most searched hot dog. What's up? It's your hot dog homie Twan, and today we're creating Tucson's pride and joy, the Sonoran Hot Dog. It's bacon wrapped, bean smothered, it's messy, majestic, and absolutely iconic. So stick around because this is the Hot Dog Show. So I know the Sonoran Dog pretty well. My wife's parents retired in Tucson, so we visit there all the time. And it just so happens that the Hot Dog Show has done 2 videos out there. So we've been exploring Tucson stands and tasting the real deal while we've been out there. And I know exactly how these things are supposed to taste. They're one of my favorite hot dogs. What goes on a Sonoran hot dog, you may ask yourself? Well, it's a bacon wrapped hot dog with pinto beans, diced tomatoes, diced onions. We've got some onions cut up that we're gonna grill, and we've got our amazing sidecar chili pepper. We start with our steamed all beef hot dog, and we're gonna wrap that with some thin bacon. When you do this, you want the thinnest bacon you can get because thin bacon equals crispy. And I like to start with a warm hot dog. And the reason I start with a warm hot dog, because it instantly gets this fat emulsifying onto the hot dog. And then that's gonna help your bacon stick when you go to griddle it. Now that our dog's wrapped, you know what time it is? It's time to slap the dog. We wanna make sure that we keep our bacon on there, seam side down. We're gonna let that crisp up. While that is going, we are gonna get our side peppers on. And we're gonna let those get nice and hot and toasty. We're gonna shoot these with a little bit of oil because we want them to get like nice bits of char on them. The bits of char are gonna give you extra flavor. It's not going on the dog, it's going on as a little side dish, and it's a nice little treat before you get your first bite in. You gotta take a bite of that pepper and get that dog. So we're gonna take our neutral oil and we're gonna throw in some of our sliced onion ring. We'll get these softening up. We'll get them nice and browned up. They smell amazing. Now, we're gonna give our chili peppers a quick shot of some lime juice. That's gonna steam them, get them going. So as you can see, we've got our beans already going here, and I'm just using regular pinto beans, and I like the pinto beans in a little bit of chili sauce. So that's one of the things that you can do rather than just buy, pinto beans in, like the regular oil or the regular liquid. You can actually buy them in chili sauce, and it's going to give you a lot of that flavor that you're going to get from one of the carts if you're tooling around Tucson, Arizona. So the heart and the soul of the Sonoran hot dog is the Bolillo roll. The only sad thing for me is I can't get Bolillo rolls from Tucson, Arizona up here because they're soft and pillowy and they're so delicious. I've had mine steaming up. We did a little side cut, and as you can see, it creates a little boat for our beautiful hot dog goodness that's going in here. Now, I'm gonna do something a little different. So I've seen this done at a couple of the carts where the bun is split on the top like this. So you get a clear, open crumb, as they say. Well, most all of them in Tucson butter their buns. We're taking just a little bit of garlic powder and we're gonna throw the garlic powder on our bun. Now, we're gonna take our buns over to the grill and we're gonna get this nice and griddled up. We're gonna check on our hot dog, check on our onions, and see how those sidecar peppers are doing. So we're gonna go cut side down first, and we're gonna let that sit for a little bit so it gets nice and toasty. We're just gonna take these onions off. Those are gonna create a wonderful, caramelized, almost sweet vibe for the Sonoran hot dog. Check our bun, it's looking good. Ooh, we got some good toast. That's nice and crispy. All right, our peppers are ready to come off. They're nice and charred. The skin is blistered. Oh, that looks amazing. Let's get our bun over to the table. Oh, yes, that's the color I was looking for. That looks just like the carts that they have in Tucson. I'm really, really loving the way this looks. It's ready to build. We're gonna go build the Sonoran hot dog. Tucson's pride and joy. Tucson's favorite son. Tucson's big wiener in the shadows. The biggest dick in Tucson. Tucson's. God, I can't, I'm cracking myself up. All right, so we're not gonna slap this in. We're gonna nestle this guy right in its bun. All right, next up, we are going on with our pinto beans. Now, our pinto beans are a little dry, but they're gonna do for what we need them to do. Now we just get some diced tomatoes. We're gonna get our griddled onions. Now, you can do this in any order you want. I'm just gonna tuck my griddled onions down there because I want my tomatoes on top. Then we get white diced onion on top of that. This gets 3 sauces. We start with a good drizzle of mayo. And then the classic yellow. Who doesn't love some yellow? And this is the green jalapeno salsa. That to me adds the tang. It adds the heat that you want. It's gonna make the dog absolutely wonderful. And of course, we can't forget our beautiful sidecar. And that is the Sonoran Hot Dog. Beautiful. Hey, there you have it. Tucson Sonoran Hot Dog, recreated right here at home. Bacon wrapped, bean smothered, mayo, mustard drizzled, grilled onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, and the chili pepper on the side. Oh my goodness. All in a beautiful pillowy bolillo roll. First, you gotta go in with the chili pepper. Woo, some beautiful heat there. Oh, and I love that it had the mayo and mustard on it. That's absolutely delicious. And let's see how we did today. Wow, absolutely delicious. You gotta make this. The beans, the onions, the mayo, the mustard, the bacon. It's salty, it's creamy. It's got all the Mexican flavors that you want, all of those beautiful spices. And I tell you, the garlic on the bread gives it a really interesting texture and flavor. This pepper, that's the Tucson touch. You gotta make this at home. Absolutely delicious. If you want even more Sonoran Hot Dog action, check out the 2 videos we filmed right in Tucson. I'll drop them here on the screen. Make sure you slap at a like button and let me know your city's signature dog in the comments, because we'll make it. Hey, thanks for sticking around. Be sure to tell your friends about us, and we'll see you next time.